Welcome to the Rhythm Studio, where we're talking percussion, music production, and music technology. I'm Warren Hendrick. If you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and the alert bell so that you can be notified when we release new videos. Also, please stay tuned to the very end because I have a special announcement just for you. That said, let's get into it. I spent the last 2 weeks putting the Warm Audio WA73-EQ through its paces. It's gone up against two classic Rupert Neve designed preamps, and the summary of my thoughts? This thing still rocks. But for the discriminating ear, you can expect to hear some differences. Areas of strength: its ultra-low noise floor, flexible EQ, insert jacks, and the ability to use this particular preamp as a line level source. Areas of weakness: no warranty information was in the box, no manual was in the box, and a minor though important issue: its sonic signature, which can be a trap. What do I mean? If you are used to, I repeat, if you are used to the way a classic Neve 1073 preamp sounds because you work with one every day, then the WA73-EQ may not be for you. Why? Because you'll find yourself comparing the subtle differences, and that turns into nitpicking, which turns into discontent, and on and on and on. It becomes a slippery slope at some point. The sonic characteristic of the WA73-EQ and a classic 1073 compare favorably, but they are not the same. And I'm gonna stop right there because any further scrutiny might sound damning. Can you say damning on YouTube? I guess so. But if you insist on playing the comparison game, go out and buy the Warm unit. Call a friend or rent a 1073, and whichever wins this comparison game of yours, return the other after 30 days. I can guarantee that the Warm unit will hold its own and stand up to the 1073. So how does it sound in a real world situation? You be the judge.
At the end of this measure, Mark, that's the verse 1 entrance. Cada día que pasa no encuentro la forma de parar el reloj para frisar los momentos que surgen en vida, que causan los llantos, las cosas que cambian, quién somos por dentro, quién somos por dentro. Quisiera guardar el sentimiento que tengo cuando siento tu mano acariciando mi cara, o cuando enfermo estuve en tu casa, me dabas jarabe y curaba mi alma, curaba mi alma.
All the world is looking, all the angels are jealous, all the kids stop and stare, say they wanna be like us too. This love between me and you, wanna live in this moment together forever, if we can. What's your plan? Are we gonna run to the heavens or walk to the sea? Hold hands through the mountains as long as we're free to love. As long as we're free to love. All I need is you to be my love, my love.
WA73 is a great unit in its own right. Warm nailed the tone, depth, and imaging that one would associate with a classic Neve 1073. That's all for now. Like this video by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe. And oh, don't forget to say hello to the family for me.